Hey, welcome back to the channel. I have a real quick short video. I wanted to share my Pipsticks subscription with you all. Um, when I went to Little Craft Fest, they had um, a display up at at the little craft fest, and if you ordered Pipsticks subscription, you got this nice bag, which was hard to pass up, I must say, and an offer to get a subscription. With that, you get the bag there, and then $100 I think worth of stickers the day of. So this is my first mail-in subscription of Pipsticks. It is a mail-in subscription, and for this month, I'm actually not sure if this is what I got. I have a book in there. I don't know if I had that book already. Okay. So I was supposed to say May of 2026, but it's definitely May. So let's pull out these stickers and see what came in uh, the Pipsticks Pro Sticker Club. Now I have since receiving this changed over to Hello Kitty because if they have a theme, why not? So this is just the Pro Stick Club. All right, so you get a postcard with all the colors: red, pink, orange, blue, purple. And then there's like it might be the capybara, the exercise workout kit. You get a sheet of gnomes, um, colorful designer drizzlers. That's the rainbow. Okay, rad rainbow alphabet. Those are nice. They're holographic. And then Jack's Attack. I remember this game as a kid playing Jacks with the ball. That's cute for a cute summer spread. You get every shade of love. These hearts. These would be good for tracking. Cactus kickers and armadillos. Fitting for me living in Texas. Rainbow state of mind with the different rainbows doing different things. And then here's a sheet with red, yellow, green, and purple. Vintage color classics with the old timey uh, appliances. This one's called Sunshine Spectrum with the rainbows and the coffee pouring rainbows and these cute clouds, cloudy characters. Um, there is a mushroom die cut in here, psychedelic colors, and some flamingos. It's called Prism crayons. Those are really pretty. And some more crafting items in the rainbow, and then the rainbow roses. So the theme obviously was rainbows. I think that's really nice. Okay, and one thing that led me to gather this is that I have a Pipstick book, and I'm gonna bring that up in just a second. This book came inside. It's Pippy, and it's my colorful things, and it's have a place for you to write. Um, Inside the packet was vintage color classics, and they list all the different items in there, and the price estimate. If this was like $3.95, I don't know. There you go with that. Price values. A letter from the creator, and their name is Mo. And then there's finished collage in the spread with rainbow things. Be sure to share your masterpiece on the Facebook club and make a wish. Cut out these rainbow objects to make super cute confetti. It's like an activity book, and then on the back it's some scrapbook. Spoilers. Want to see next month's sneak peek? Cut or tear along the perforated line to see what's coming. Okay. So and this is what they're saying. It's showing for next month. And the kids club, and I actually, like I said, I switched over to Hello Kitty. And then here's some more scrap paper. This is great to tear and put into a junk journal. So that was the Pipsticks haul that I a package that I received. I signed up. I think I'm gonna go maybe another one or two more rounds to see how I end up liking it. Is it worth it? Am I going to use it? Um, I don't necessarily care to waste my money, so we'll determine that. But this is my. Let me bring y'all out some. And my desk is a mess. So I want to get this video out. My Pipsticks book. I bought this at Go Wild in 2024, and it stayed empty for quite some time. Literally, like it stayed empty. So it's Care Bears. I had somebody run and give me. This was the last one that I saw they had down there, and they because I was volunteering at Go Wild, so I couldn't leave the table during the conference. But when I saw somebody have this, I'm like, oh, I need this. This is repositional. It's the glossy kind where I can pull them off and use. So I put some stickers that I haven't been using that I want to bring to my attention and use there. I use the back and front. I'm trying to downsize and make room for other stuff. And so, hold on. Let me just move y'all out. Okay. So I just put the stickers that I have in here, and this is not all of them, but it's ones I feel like doing that day. I have a couple more that I could fill up, about four more that I could fill up. And then in the back, it had the sleeves for the items. So I already had some Pipsticks. Of course, some Pipstick stickers came in the bag that I got at Little Craft Fest, and I left these empty so I could put the other ones in there. And so these are the stickers that were in there, and it's plenty of space. And then I put some of the these acrylic boards from Wrong in the back, and then there's a photo album, and there's a baggie in the back. So there's a lot of storage space in there. So I just wanted to share um, how I store them. I don't know how much storage I'm gonna get with this, and I guess it's based on how many subscriptions I keep or don't, decline getting. So, and I'll sort that out and put these away properly. This little envelope been flopping around here on my desk for a couple of days. I got it last week and just didn't have time to put them away. But I just wanted to share this with you all. I appreciate you watching the video, and I hope to talk to you in the next one. Thank you.